Good day everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about earthquake preparedness. Earthquakes are a natural disaster that can strike at any time without warning and cause significant damage to buildings, roads, and infrastructure. Being prepared can make all the difference in the event of an earthquake. And that is why I would like to share some tips on how to stay safe. First, it is important to have emergency plan in place. Your plan should include identifying a safe place to take shelter during an earthquake, such as under a study table or desk. You should also identify an exit strategy if you need to evacuate your home or building. Additionally, you should have a designed meeting places outside of the affected area where you and your family or friends can gather after the earthquake.
It is crucial to prepare an emergency kit that contains essential items such as water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, and a flashlight. Make sure your emergency kit is easily accessible and that everyone in your household knows where it is located. Thirdly, take steps to secure your home or building. This can involve reinforcing your foundation, installing safety latches on cabinets, and securing large furniture and appliances to the wall. By securing this item, you can prevent them from falling and causing injury during an earthquake.
It is essential to stay informed about earthquake activities in your area. Sign up for our local alert and emergency contact to stay up to date on any potential earthquake. This way, you can take necessary precautions to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. In conclusion, earthquakes are not only factors that can be devastating. However, by being prepared, you can reduce the risk of injury and minimize the damage to your home or building. Remember to add emergency plan, prepare an emergency kit, secure your home or building, and stay informed about earthquake activity in your area. Thank you for listening and stay safe. Bye-bye.